Hi there and welcome to JCB Tools. My name is Adrian and today we're going to be looking at our heritage range of garden tools. This is a traditional way of making tools, the old school way, the best way, the tried and tested way that's been used for hundreds of years. Single piece forgings on the bottom end of all these tools. Tempered steel, single piece forged. No welding in the construction at all. And as you can see, in the areas where it may be weak, the forgings are extra thick. And you can see down here at the bottom, the extra thickness down here. None of this pressed steel works that you see on other machines. And of course, it's been forged round and thinning out at the top to take the handle. So let's talk about the handles themselves. As you can see, the traditional split fork design on the handle here, all made out of ash, which has been varnished for durability. This is the traditional material that will be used on garden tools going back into the Victorian era and basically tried and tested over many, many years. The favourite of many gardeners, and we all get used to our tools. And this range will last you a lifetime if looked after correctly. Just as an added feature, you'll see this rivet through here, which goes right through and riveted both sides, and that actually strengthens up this point to stop the handle cracking any further down during use. So that's another great improvement to durability. And we're that proud of these tools here at JCB that we've actually embossed our logo onto the handles as well. I have the border spade, which is obviously narrower, the digging spade, the border fork, again, smaller profile on the end, and the digging fork. So to complement the larger range, we have this twin pack here, again with the same quality handles, the lovely Ashwood, good quality ferrules to keep them well fastened, and again the forged heads or tool ends on both of the tools. And as you can see here, this one actually has embossed into it a depth gauge, so you know how deep you're planting if you're planting seedlings. Well, as you can see, these really are a quality piece of kit and would be a great addition for any gardener. So I do hope you found this demonstration interesting. Thank you for watching.